Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. Today we'll be discussing Max Weber in relation to the action theory that he has given. He was born in 1864 and he died in 1920. He was born in Germany and he did his training in law. He completed his doctoral thesis titled History of Commercial Societies in the Middle Ages in 1889. He died of pneumonia, and his major works are The Protestant Ethic and the Spirit of Capitalism, The Economy and Society, The City, The Theory of Social and Economic Organization. The important concepts for which he is well known include Verstehen, that's the German word for understanding social phenomena, ideal types, social action, the structure of authority, where he has talked of three types of authority, bureaucracy, religion, values, causality, class status, and party. But we'll be discussing his social action theory. According to Weber, human action should be the main focus of studying sociology. He says an individual attaches meaning to his actions, and in sociological theory centers around this whole idea of social order. How do we maintain that? And human behaviors, he wanted to see how the cause and the effect of social action goes along with the acts that are taken up by individuals in relation to others. Now he says that social action can be understood at two levels of understanding: direct observational understanding, and the second is the explanatory understanding. When we talk of social action by Weber, we need to remember the four types that he has given. First is the Zweck-rational, which is reference to the goals that individuals set for themselves. Second are the Worth-rational. These are with reference to values. Then there is affective action and the traditional action. These are the four basic types that he has talked of. We can conclude that action is included in all human behavior when the actors attach subjective meaning to it. An action is social when acting individuals take into account the behavior of others and are also oriented by it. So this is a very brief gist of what Weber has talked about. In the following videos, we'll be discussing more about them. And thank you.